Hello, this is Eddie with Uniform Bright. Another legal video showing you guys how to do things the right way so that we are legally correct and that we protect our interests and our rights as we proceed forth on a legal process. So one of the things that you'll want to do when you look at your contract, you're going to see sometimes it says that you need to send your legal letters to a vendor or to someone else. You need to send it either registered or certified mail. Now, why registered? Because registered typically means that you're going to insure something of value. And that's not the thing in this case. You're going to send a letter, right? There's nothing of value in there other than the letter itself. And so the certification or the certified is going to achieve the purposes for which you're sending it. Now, the other thing you're going to need to do is send it return receipt requested. You'll look at that at one of my other videos. You'll see how we're supposed to write up your letters with the return receipt requested. But look at the difference to me. The reason why they do that, I think, is just another way how they make the contract unconscionable. And so they're basically saying, hey, spend more money, because the register letter, if just a basic one, just a basic register letter, is going to cost you about $17 to $20. And if you're looking at a regular certified mail, I think it's going to be like $8 or $9 when you include the return receipt requested charge in there. So the difference is $9, $20. I mean, some people might say, you know what, man, for $20, I don't want to do it. I don't have it. I don't want to spend that money. But trust me, you should spend that money and do it the right way, right? You never want to get to arbitration and find out the contract said that you had to send a letter, registered mail, and you sent it certified. Now, to me, it would be ridiculous. I don't see how an arbitrator would deny you your claim because you sent it the wrong way when it was essentially the same way. And most uniform rental companies will accept it. Most vendors are going to accept it, and they're not going to make that their claim. But it's better to have sent it that way and not need it than to have not sent it that way and needed to have done it that way. So send it registered if it says registered, send it certified if it says certified, just to make sure that you are protected 100%. So look, if you like, subscribe, save it, send it to some of your friends, check out some of my other videos, and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks. Talk to you soon.